turn in a circle and point at a coin and announce that you're creating a reserve for it. That seems to be the thing that we currently have going on. A company by the name of Trident Digital Tech Holdings. They've announced plans for an XRP treasury. And they said that they're going to put up to $500 million into a strategic XRP treasury reserve. Yes, we had news of another company a week ago, something like that, who announced that they were also going to be doing the exact same thing with XRP, but I think their numbers were 100 million. Not that it's a small number, but you understand. There are rumors of there was a rumor of another company doing it with Cardano. There was another company a month and a half ago who I think was looking for attention, who announced that they were doing it for Solana, but they're also, it was kind of, one of those things where they were like, yeah, we are certainly going to be doing that. That sounds wonderful. Like that it was, oh, you guys are probably fibbing. So yes, it feels like everyone. We also had Joseph Lubin, the co-creator of Ethereum, announced 4 weeks ago the creation of a brand new company, of which I believe he is going to be CEO, to create a new thing that's also going to have, I think, starting out with a $100 million, $200 million Ethereum reserve. That seems to, once again, that seems to be the thing, at least for this year. Everyone's talking about a reserve at some point. So Trident Digital Tech Holdings is looking to get one for $500 million. There we go, of ZERF. The firm expects the treasury rollout to begin later this year because, of course, why would they do it now? Gotta kick the can down the road. Publicly traded technology services company Trident is planning to raise up to $500 million to build an XRP treasury. The firm announced on Thursday. The Singapore-based firm, which has a blockchain-based identity solution as its flagship product and trades on the Nasdaq as TDTH, also appointed Chainsa, C-H-I-N-C-E. I would say Chainsa. Chainsa Securities LLC as a strategic advisor. Sure, why not? They said, and I quote, "This initiative reflects our belief in the transformative potential of blockchain technology for capital allocation and cross-border value transfer. Through this initiative, Trident aims to demonstrate how public companies can thoughtfully and responsibly participate in the ongoing development of decentralized finance." So cool. Apparently, they're going to roll out in the second half of this year. I would assume towards the end of the year, this is what usually ends up happening. A company announces something, they try to get hype from it, their stock price goes up, and then later on, years or months later, they announce that they did the actual thing. We can logically assume they're probably going to be buying OTC, over the counter, and not actually spot, because it appears that all these companies have only been buying over the counter. None of them actually want to move prices within this market because they want to buy it for themselves, but they're also really missing the part where the public, the retail investors, will not remain in this market unless prices actually move. So let's see if they're brave enough to do a good 50-50 to actually move up the prices of these coins, as we went over in the last video. But as you might have imagined, this was, of course, popular news. Another company is talking about XRP. Another company is talking about a treasury, a reserve, money going into the cryptocurrency market to buy up the coins before everyone else can. We recently had news from that one person who said that he is expecting that people are going to be priced out of XRP.